In this session, I wanted to spend a few moments talking about delivery methods for your content. Now, it may be that you already have a delivery method. For example, if you are going to be teaching your course on Udemy, you use the Udemy platform and it's online. And so your course, however, may be something that you can deliver not just online, but also obviously face to face or in a hybrid format. There are a variety of methods that are used to deliver content online. There are numerous online platforms. And so if you have any questions or need any information regarding specific platforms, I may or may not have had experience with some. I have experience with a lot of them, but not everything. So I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have regarding delivery of online courses versus face-to-face and potentially a hybrid. Once your course is developed, another thing that you may want to consider is whether you want to pilot test your course. And this is something that I recommend if you have the time to do so. Once you've developed a course or a workshop, you may want to offer a pilot of it. I did this with a few of the courses that I've developed. The first of which was a workshop, and in the workshop, I invited some people I knew and some people I didn't know to participate in a workshop where they came. It was a live session, and the people that were invited served as evaluators, if you will. And so they got to participate in this workshop free of charge, and they came and went through the workshop and then filled out an evaluation and participated in a live feedback session as well. And so the purpose of doing that is that you get a feel for what's working and what's not working before it's offered formally in the form of an evaluation. And so this gives you the opportunity to work out any problems, to work through any problems, and tweak the course as needed before it goes live. So again, pilot testing is something that I typically like to do if I have time available to do so. So I highly recommend it.